Welcome to all. Today we are going to see a new poem, Mending Wall, by Robert Frost. Do you know about Robert Frost? Yes, he is an American poet. He is a romantic poet. Let me see about Robert Frost, okay? Robert Frost is an American poet, well known for his poems that are colloquial in style. That means his poems are very colloquial, very simple. We can understand easily. Okay. His poems begin in delight and end in wisdom. Here, his poems, which are all started with here delight, very happiness, and that ends in wisdom. We will get some knowledge after go through the poem. That's why it's given like that. Here the poem that begins in delight and ends in wisdom. In 1924, he received his first of 4 Pulitzer Prizes for his book, New Hampshire. What is the meaning of Pulitzer here prize? Here Pulitzer Prize here meaning it is an award for the achievement. Okay, here it's an award for the achievement. For which are the things? In newspaper, in magazine, or in literature. Like that, here it is here given. Okay, here that means Pulitzer Prize here meaning here it's an award for the achievement in. Okay, achievement in which are the things? In newspaper, magazine, and another one is literature. Here, his poems begin in delight and end in wisdom. In 1924, he received his first of 4 Pulitzer Prize for his book, New Hampshire. Here, he won his other Pulitzers for collected poems, For the Range, A Witness Tree, then another one, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening, then another last one is given as The Road Not Taken. These are the 2 famous poems. Okay, here Road Not Taken and another one is Stopping by the Woods on the Snowy Evening. These 2 poems are his famous poems. Okay, here now you know about Robert Frost, isn't it? Robert Frost is an American poet. And he started the poem. He began the poem with delight and that ends in wisdom. Then another one is given, which are the things that he got Pulitzer Prizes for which are the poems. Here first one is given as New Hampshire, then collected poems, then Further Range, then the last one is A Witness Tree. The next point is that he was famous by writing the 2 poems. Which are the 2 poems? Here, Road Not Taken, another one, Stopping by the Woods on a Snowy Evening. Okay. Now, let me move to the poem, Mending Wall. What is the meaning of mending wall? We all know about wall. What is the meaning of mending? Here, repairing. Okay, here, mending meaning here, repairing. Okay, repairing wall. Here, let me go through the entry portion. Fraternity and tolerance are the twin virtues of harmonious thing. But do we cherish these qualities in our daily life? What should be our attitude to our neighbors? Do we accept their ideas as well in order to maintain the good relationship with them? Here, these are the questions asked to us. You have to guess for these questions and you have to answer to the questions. Here, fraternity and tolerance are the twin virtues of harmonious living. Here, fraternity, what is the meaning of fraternity? Yes, brotherhood. Here, brotherhood is very important, and another one is tolerance. What is the meaning of tolerance? Sahikya ennalladhan. Here, these two things, here are the twin virtues. These are the two qualities. Brotherhood, and another one is, which one? Tolerance. These two are very important. These two qualities are very important for our harmonious living, for a good living. Can you understand? But do we cherish these qualities in our daily life? But are we adopting these qualities in our daily life? Yes or no? Yes, you have to think that. Are we accepting or are we following these two qualities? Which are the two qualities? That is the brotherhood and another one, tolerance. These are the two twin virtues for a harmonious living. Here, what should be our attitude to our neighbors? What should be our attitude to our neighbors? We should be good, isn't it? We should accept their ideas if it is good. And we should be you should have attachment towards them, isn't it? Here, that if you have a neighbor, we should have attachment towards them. We should be good to them. We should accept the ideas if it is good. Here, what should be our attitude to our neighbors? How should be our attitude? Yes, very good, isn't it? Our attitude should be very nice to them. Here, do we accept their ideas as well in order to maintain good relationship with them? Is it necessary? Here, their ideas are very good. Or is it necessary to maintain the good relationship with them? That we have to think. Isn't it? Here, is it needed? Is it necessary to maintain the good relationship with them? Yes, that's very important, isn't it? Okay, let me see about the poem Mending Wall. Here, what I have told you, mending here meaning repairing. Here, repairing wall. Here, between the Robert Frost and the neighbor house, okay, between Robert Frost's house and neighbor house, there is a wall, a compound wall. And what happened to that wall? Why it was repairing? What is the attitude of Robert Frost? What is the attitude of the neighbor? That's given in our poem. Let me go through the poem, okay? Here, something that doesn't love a wall, that sends a frozen ground swell under it and spills the upper boulders in the sun and makes gaps even two can pass abreast. The work of hunters is another thing. I have come after them and made repair, where they would have left not one stone on a stone, but they would have the rabbit out of hiding. To please the helping dogs, the gaps I mean, no one has seen them made or heard them made. Up to that, let me see. Something that doesn't love a wall. I have told you, there is a wall between Robert Frost and neighbor's house. That wall was broken. or we can say there is a crack in the wall, and the falls and the stones have fallen. Why? What happened to that wall? Something there is that doesn't love a wall. Here, the Robert Frost or neighbor, they both don't know how the wall was broken. They are thinking, what may be the thing that was destroying the wall? Something there is coming, something in nature. Sometimes it may be the nature. Something there is that doesn't love a wall. Something in nature that doesn't love the wall. They don't know who is destroying the wall. That sends a frozen ground swell under it. Here it is a springtime. First one we have to understand, it's a springtime. In the springtime, the ground was frozen. Okay, at that time, the wall was broken. Sometimes it may be the reason. Sometimes it may be the reason. Who are thinking? Robert Frost and here the neighbor. Both are thinking that it may be something like nature or the season. Due to season, the wall was broken. Something there is that doesn't love a wall. That sends a frozen ground swell under it. Due to the spring season, the ground was frozen. And what happened? The wall was fallen. Okay. And spills the upper boulders in the sun and throws out. Here spills here meaning throws out. Here and spills the upper boulders in the sun. Here boulders here meaning stones. Okay. Here boulders here meaning stones. What is happening? Due to frozen ground, the wall was broken and the stones are fallen. And spills the upper boulders in the sun. The upper boulders here meaning upper stones. The stones which are in the upper side, they are fallen down. And makes gaps even two can pass abreast. And through that gap, who can pass? Two people can pass. Okay, here what's given in the first four lines? Here something in nature that doesn't love a wall. It's a nature thing. Here the Robert Frost and the person neighbor, they both don't know why the wall was broken. They are thinking that it may be the reason. Here nature, due to reason. Here due to nature. It's a spring season, so the ground was frozen and the fall, and here the stones are fallen down. So here, and spills the upper boulders in the sun. Here boulders here meaning, what is the meaning of boulders? Yes, stones. The stones are fallen down. And makes gaps even two can pass abreast. Here through that gap, two people can pass through that gap. Like that, the wall was broken. That's the first thought of Robert Frost. Second one, let me see the next one. So in the first four lines, what it is given here? The nature. Here the poet was thinking that it may be nature. Here due to spring season. and the ground was frozen, and due to that the wall was broken. Here like that the Robert Frost and the neighbor both are thinking. Here signs of frozen grounds well. Here frozen ground, I have told you what the meaning of frozen ground. The ground was frozen. തണുത്ത് വിറച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ground ആണ്. Here the ground was very frozen, and due to that here it may fallen. Here like that the author was thinking. Here Robert Frost loved nature. That's why he was writing number of poems about nature. Here Mending Wall is a famous poem, and he was writing some theme. By reading the poem we got a theme from that. Here what is the theme? The nature does not like separation. By reading the poem we can understand that nature does not like separation. Here Robert Frost, between Robert Frost and here the neighbor there is a compound wall, and that was fallen during the spring season. And here Robert Frost what he was saying, that it may be due to nature. And here the Robert Frost was saying about the nature, that is the nature does not allow separation. That may be the reason, due to that here the wall was broken. Here I am concluding my portion. Let me see in the next class.